Your Samit is also a football fan, but Liverpool. Liverpool is not doing very well, is it?
Decent.
Of your Acha, you are from Naya too. He is from Naya too. Okay. So and he is what? He is a forward, a defender. He is a forward. Okay. So of the three famous forwards of Barcelona, who's your favorite?
Suarez.
Suarez. So I hope you bite into this quiz very well. Okay, Samit. Samit's chosen question is cirrhosis of the liver. Your timer starts now. Between males and females, which gender is more prone to develop alcoholic cirrhosis with a lower
Female.
consumption? Female is correct. What is the common term for asterixis, a type of tremor seen in hands in hepatic encephalopathy?
Flaps.
Is correct. In known cirrhotics, which tumor marker may be used as a screening test for hepatocellular carcinoma? In known cirrhotics, tumor marker
AFP.
is correct. Fatty liver related to obesity and diabetes can progress to cirrhosis. True or false?
True.
In male cirrhotics, which hormone excess causes spider nevi, Palmer erythema?
Estrogen.
Correct. Which pharmacologic agent is most commonly used in primary prevention of bleeding from varices?
Propanolol.
Is correct. If alcohol increases the risk of cirrhosis, which beverage is known to reduce the risk of cirrhosis?
Pass.
Patients with alcoholic cirrhosis should have abstained for a minimum of how many months before they are taken up for liver transplant?
Pass.
This is the true or false question. Cirrhotic patients who have developed HCC are not considered for liver transplant. True or false?
False.
Correct. In a known case of cirrhosis with portal hypertension, an increase in abdominal girth and fever are due to which infection most likely?
SBP.
Correct. Which immunological blood marker will you ask for in a female patient with cholestatic jaundice and pruritus? Which immunological blood marker?
ANA.
Incorrect. Which oral non-absorbable antibiotic is used to prevent recurrences of hepatic encephalopathy?
Lactulose.
Incorrect. Which diuretic can be used up to a dose of 400 milligrams in the treatment of ascites related to cirrhosis?
Spironolactone.
Is correct. Which one of these four is not used in any scoring system for staging cirrhosis? Bilirubin, albumin, SGPT, prothrombin time?
SGPT.
Is correct. What is the clue on CBC that a patient is developing cirrhosis, a patient of cirrhosis is developing portal hypertension? Clue on CBC that a patient of cirrhosis
Thrombocytopenia.
is correct. Your past question, if alcohol increases the risk of cirrhosis, which beverage is known to reduce the risk of cirrhosis?
Pass.
Patients with alcoholic cirrhosis should have abstained for a minimum how many months? Take a guess.
6
Before liver
months.
is correct. Next. Done. Well done. 37 seconds. I'll have to do time pass. So 30. No.
Cranberry.
No. Coffee and tea both are correct. Coffee is popularly known to reduce the risk of cirrhosis. So you know what to do after your alcohol. Okay, your number of answers? 12 out of 15. Timer starts now. In which monsoon related illness can you have a biphasic fever and elevation of bilirubin but not of SGOT-PT? Monsoon related fever.
Pass.
Atypical lymphocytes are often a feature in peripheral smear of kissing disease.
Infection.
Infection
Mononuclear.
is correct. Which one is more likely to run in families? Alzheimer's or Parkinsonism?
Alzheimer.
Is correct. SGOT, SGPT elevation occur in both malaria and dengue. In which of the two is SGOT elevated more than SGPT?
Dengue.
Correct. Theoretically, what is the maximum number of times that a person can suffer from dengue in an entire life?
4 times.
Is correct. What type of stroke can hypertension most likely cause? Embolic, thrombotic or hemorrhagic? Most likely type of stroke.
Hemorrhagic.
Is incorrect. Name the oral cephalosporin recommended for use in enteric fever.
Cefixime.
is correct. If a 2-hour postprandial sugar of 140 to 199 is called impaired glucose tolerance, what is the term used for fasting glucose of 110 to 125?
Impaired fasting glucose.
Is correct. 3 symptoms of aortic stenosis that are prognostic markers. One is dyspnea, the second is syncope. What is the third?
Chest pain.
Is correct. Which chronic benign disease is classified as diarrhea predominant, constipation predominant, or
IBS.
mixed? Correct. If cholecalciferol is manufactured in the skin, 25 hydroxycholecalciferol in the liver, where is 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol? Correct. True or false question, an elevated serum uric acid is invariably present during an acute gout attack. True or false?
False.
Correct. Rapid drug sensitivity test like Gene Expert for TB test sensitivity for just one drug. Which?
Isoniazid.
Incorrect. Galactoria is a side effect of which drug used commonly in upper GI disease? Galactoria, side effect of which drug used commonly in upper GI disease?
Metoclopramide.
Is incorrect. Have you finished 15? Non-dipper is a person whose BP does not dip or go down in the night, a feature of hypertensives. Which investigation detects non-dippers? BP does not go down at night. How will you find out non-dippers? Investigation. Any other question? Pass. Atypical, sorry, which pass? In which monsoon related illness can you get biphasic fever, elevation of bilirubin, but not of SGOT, SGPT? Monsoon fever, any guess?
Dengue.
Is incorrect. Any other pass? Okay. Score? 22 including the first session. Wonderful. Yeah, I'll tell you. Leptospirosis is the biphasic monsoon related illness with high bilirubin. Thrombotic is the commonest type of stroke even in hypertensives. Cefixime, did he say correctly? Yes. Impaired, he said. And elevated, he said. Rifampicin is the drug tested in Gene Expert, and domperidone is the drug that causes galactoria. I think, and 24-hour ambulatory BP monitoring detects non-dippers in